Have you ever wondered what truly sets billionaires apart from the rest of us? What is the secret that has allowed them to amass unimaginable wealth time and time again? Today, we're going to peel back the layers and reveal the one powerful secret that many billionaires share. A secret that isn't hidden behind complex formulas or insider tricks, but is instead rooted in a mindset and set of habits that anyone can adopt. It all begins with a simple yet profound shift in perspective. Think long term, embrace calculated risks, and commit to continuous self investment. This isn't just another get rich quick scheme, it's a lifestyle, a way of thinking and acting that transforms every decision you make. Let's dive in. Imagine waking up every morning with a clear purpose and an unwavering commitment to your future. Instead of being reactive, you're proactively shaping your destiny. Billionaires understand that wealth is not created overnight. It's the result of relentless focus, strategic planning, and the willingness to invest not only in opportunities but in themselves. Their secret? A blend of visionary thinking, disciplined execution, and an unyielding desire to learn and adapt. At the heart of this secret is the concept of long-term thinking. While most people focus on the immediate rewards of a decision, billionaires zoom out and look at the bigger picture. They ask themselves, how will this decision impact me not just today, but 10, 20, or even 30 years from now? This long-range perspective allows them to navigate through uncertainty with clarity. They know that every small positive decision compounds over time, much like interest in a bank account. It's about planting seeds now that will flourish into a forest of opportunities later on. Consider the idea of compounding, both in finances and in personal growth. When you invest in a project, skill, or relationship today, its value multiplies over time. This isn't limited to money. The knowledge you gain, the habits you develop, and the networks you build all have exponential returns. Billionaires live by this principle, reinvesting every success and every lesson back into themselves and their ventures. They see setbacks as valuable lessons rather than failures, using each experience as a stepping stone toward even greater achievements. But long-term thinking alone isn't enough. Another critical element of their secret is the readiness to embrace risk, calculated, strategic risk. Many people shy away from uncertainty, but billionaires understand that risk is an inherent part of growth. They don't gamble recklessly. Instead, they analyze potential outcomes and are prepared to take bold, measured steps when the odds are in their favor. This willingness to step out of the comfort zone is what allows them to seize opportunities that others overlook. For example, when a new technology emerges or a market shifts, the billionaire mindset is already primed to evaluate and act. They ask, what can I learn from this? How can I harness this change to create value? Rather than fearing failure, they see it as a necessary risk, a part of the journey toward exponential success. Every risk, every calculated move contributes to a larger strategy of building wealth that is resilient, adaptive, and forward-thinking. Yet, the secret isn't just about risk or long-term planning. It's fundamentally about investing in yourself. Billionaires know that the most valuable asset you have is you. They commit time, energy, and resources to self-improvement. This means reading voraciously, seeking mentors, and continuously learning about their industries and beyond. The world is constantly evolving, and those who remain stagnant are quickly left behind. By staying curious and adaptable, billionaires position themselves at the forefront of innovation and opportunity. Self-investment also means nurturing both your physical and mental well-being. A healthy body and a sharp mind are indispensable tools in the pursuit of success. Regular exercise, meditation, and mindful practices aren't luxuries, they're necessities. They help maintain focus, reduce stress, and improve decision-making. When you're at your best, you're more capable of handling challenges, spotting opportunities, and executing your plans effectively. This holistic approach to self-care is one of the cornerstones of a billionaire's lifestyle. Another, often overlooked component of their secret is the power of relationships. No one becomes super rich in isolation. Building a strong network of like-minded individuals, mentors, and partners is crucial. Billionaires surround themselves with people who challenge them, inspire them, and help them see opportunities they might have otherwise missed. They understand that collaboration and mutual support can open doors that a solitary effort might never reach. Whether it's forging partnerships in business, learning from a trusted mentor, or simply sharing ideas with the community of driven individuals, the value of connection cannot be overstated. Networking isn't just about collecting contacts. It's about cultivating genuine relationships based on trust, respect, and a shared vision for the future. These connections often lead to unforeseen opportunities and provide a safety net during challenging times. Remember, the strength of your network is a direct reflection of the energy you invest in it. Every conversation, every handshake, every shared idea builds a foundation that can support your ambitions for years to come. Now, let's talk about the importance of resilience and adaptability. The path to extreme wealth is rarely smooth. Billionaires face setbacks, failures, and unexpected challenges just like everyone else. What sets them apart is their ability to bounce back stronger and more determined than before. They view obstacles as learning experiences and are relentless in their pursuit of improvement. When faced with adversity, they analyze the situation, learn from it, and adjust their strategies accordingly. This resilience is not innate. It's cultivated over time through perseverance, reflection, and a commitment to personal growth. In today's rapidly changing world, adaptability is more important than ever. Markets evolve, technologies advance, and consumer behaviors shift in the blink of an eye. Billionaires are always one step ahead because they are not married to any one idea or method. They remain flexible, ready to pivot when the situation demands it. This willingness to adapt is fueled by a deep-rooted belief that every challenge carries within it the seed of an equivalent or greater opportunity. When you embrace change and see it as an integral part of the journey, you unlock a powerful force that propels you forward, even in the face of uncertainty. One of the most transformative habits that billionaires practice is the art of decision-making. They make decisions swiftly and confidently, without getting paralyzed by doubt or the fear of failure. This decisiveness comes from rigorous self-discipline and a clear vision of what they want to achieve. Every decision, whether big or small, is aligned with their long-term goals. They have learned to trust their instincts, backed by thorough research and reflection, and then commit fully to the chosen course of action. Making decisions quickly doesn't mean acting impulsively. It means having clarity, and conviction about your values and objectives. Billionaires streamline their thought process by focusing on what truly matters and eliminating distractions. They often rely on a set of core principles that guide every decision they make. By doing so, they can serve their mental energy for high-impact decisions that can change the trajectory of their ventures. This clarity of purpose, combined with decisive action, is what transforms ideas into reality and challenges into triumphs. Furthermore, the billionaire's secret involves a relentless focus on adding value, both to their own lives and to the lives of others. Wealth creation is not simply about accumulating money, it's about creating systems, products, or services that solve real problems and improve lives. When you concentrate on adding value, success naturally follows. This value-driven approach ensures that your work is not only profitable, but also sustainable in the long run. Think about the companies and innovations that have revolutionized industries. At their core, they addressed unmet needs and delivered solutions that people were willing to invest in. Billionaires consistently seek ways to innovate and provide exceptional value. They invest in research, listen to customer feedback, and are not afraid to disrupt the status quo. This commitment to excellence and continuous improvement is what drives breakthrough success. So, what does this secret mean for you? It means that regardless of your current circumstances, you have the power to adopt a billionaire mindset. Start by setting long-term goals that inspire you and commit to them every single day. Embrace calculated risks, understanding that every setback is merely a stepping stone toward future success. Invest in yourself relentlessly, read, learn, and build meaningful relationships that can elevate you. And when challenges arise, meet them with resilience, adapt quickly, and always keep your eyes on the horizon. The journey to extreme wealth is not reserved for a select few. It is a path that anyone can take if they're willing to shift their mindset and commit to a lifestyle of continuous growth. Remember, wealth is not just measured in dollars and cents. It's measured in the impact you create, the value you add, and the legacy you leave behind. By adopting the strategies that billionaires use, you're not only setting yourself up for financial success, you're also building a life of purpose, fulfillment, and lasting influence. Before you go, consider this. Every great achievement starts with a single decision to try, to learn, and to evolve. The secret to becoming super rich isn't about having a secret recipe. It's about developing the habits, mindset, and resilience that empower you to seize opportunities and turn them into lasting success. Start today. Invest in yourself, embrace the risks, and let every decision propel you closer to your dreams. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the billionaire's secret. If you found these insights valuable, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more content on wealth, mindset, and personal growth, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What steps will you take today to start building your future? Remember, your journey to success begins with a single, decisive step. Now go out there, think big, and transform your life one decision at a time. This is your moment to create the future you deserve. Until next time, stay focused, stay driven, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.